Hello and welcome. So what is Python exactly? Well, Python is a dynamic interpreted high-level programming language. It was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum and emphasizes readability and simplicity. So why choose Python compared to, let's say, JavaScript or C# or R or Java or even the classic C, C++? Well, there's several reasons. The first one is simple and elegant. So Python depends upon indentation, and it's built for readability, is by far the easiest language to learn, and is dynamic instead of static. So as an example here, you can see on the right hand side, we have C code, Java code, and Python code, and they're all printing out the string of hello students. So you can see there's a huge difference between them. There's also the static versus dynamically typed aspect. So static typing is where you declare what the type of variable it will be, and then you can assign it a value like a number or a string. With Python, you have dynamic typing, so you can skip declaring what a variable is and simply assign it a value of a number or string, as you can see here on the right hand side, where you have the statically types such as C, C++, and Java. And here you have to declare what the variable x is going to be, in this case an integer. And with the y, you're going to have to declare that it is a character. And then you can assign it a value like x being an integer of 20, and then you can print out x. You can print out the 20. Likewise, the y, you have a string of hi again, and you can print out hi again. But with Python, the dynamically typed, you can immediately assign x, the variable, equal to the value of the integer 40, and then you can print out 40. And they can reassign it to the string of hi there and print out hi there. There's also a huge library of packages that Python has. So it has over 120,000 packages to date and can be freely installed and used in your own programs. So there's a fast development time with Python. So there's a trade-off between development time and processing speed of a language. So for example, C and C++ are low-level languages that are 5 to 10 times faster at processing than Python. But on the other hand, Python code can be developed in a week compared to the same with C++ in, let's say, 6 months. So here you have on the right-hand side a simple but slowish axis compared to the complex but fast axis. So what you can do is that you can actually increase the speed of Python to more closer to the C and C++ with various Python packages such as NumPy, Number, and Cython. Okay, so what can you do with Python exactly? Well, you can build websites with Django, you can create games with Pygame, you can create 3D models with Matplotlib, you can create deep learning algorithms, you can ethically hack, and you can also create various GUI applications, and loads more. So that concludes my brief overview of what Python is and what you can do with it. I hope that's been insightful, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks.